In this video, you will learn the various options to export different data files from the InCommand Go display. Depending on how you manage your data, there are different ways to export the data logged in the display. You must first know where you will be exporting the data. Either you are connected to an Agfinity account or a USB drive. If exporting data to Agfinity, ensure you are logged into your Agfinity account and connected to a stable internet connection. A license is not required to transfer up to 5 GB of data to Agfinity from your InCommand display. If you do not wish to use Agfinity, ensure a USB is plugged into the display for easy transfer. After a field operation, data can be manually exported by tapping the sandwich menu icon in the upper left-hand corner of the home screen and then tapping Data Transfer. On the Data Transfer screen, there will be several export options if you log into Agfinity or have a USB connected. Export Setup is used to export items such as management information, guidance lines, products, and boundaries in the display. These items will export as an Ag Setup file. This file can then be imported into another display to have the same information. Export Data is used to export all data logged since the last export as an Ag Data file. Export Reports is used to export smart reports that were automatically created in the display. When selecting these options, a progress bar appears and shows the file exporting. There are additional options on how data will be exported under Advanced Options. Under Log Files, you can choose how data will be packaged when exported. Export Default will export all data logged in one Ag Data file. Export by Grower is used to export an individual file for each grower. Export by Event will export a file for each event performed. Export ISO XML will export a taskdata.xml file that contains data collected with Isobus, including rate logged, flow logged, multi-product application operation, and totals. Next, you can select if you want files exported on shutdown to either a USB or your Agfinity account. If previously exported data needs to be retrieved from the display, you can select Export All Log Files to export all log data stored on the display. Please note if the display contains several years of data, this will take some time to export. Tap the green checkbox. Another way Ag data files will be exported is whenever you close or suspend an event. If you are logged into Agfinity and have an internet connection, the log data from that event will be automatically exported to your Agfinity account. The final file type we will talk about is display backups, which create an exact clone of a display's current content, including management information, configurations, and log data. Display backups can only be exported to a USB drive. To create a backup, return to the sandwich menu on the home screen, select Data Transfer, and then select Advanced Options. On the left, tap Create Backup. An IBK3 file will be written to the connected USB drive. Ag Leader recommends backing up displays regularly to prevent data loss in the event of display failure. Now you will be able to export the desired files from your InCommand Go display. For more information on setup and settings for the InCommand Go display, use this QR code to access the operator's manual. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.